International internet marketing can comprise a whole range of different facets that include understanding your international marketing strategy and how it might apply to the web, international design and branding, understanding how the internet is used in target markets, getting languages translated by native speakers, and the web technology that is related to international web hosting and domains. The online marketing process is essentially the same in any language for any target market. That is to say, you have to have a well-built website, but the most important thing is to get visitors to your website and to make sure that those visitors turn into customers. We do that by a number of techniques that include search engine optimization in any language, pay-per-click advertising, and social media that can help you publicize your products and services around the globe. So your international internet marketing plan might include not only search engine optimization and pay-per-click advertising, but having a blog in a different language, using forums, local directories, bookmarking, email marketing, and so on. As in any marketing campaign, you have to research your target market. So, for example, if you wanted to reach the South American market, you have to understand that the two main languages are Portuguese and Spanish, Portuguese for Brazil, Spanish for the rest of South America, and that 10% of the search on the internet in the world is carried out in that market. For the India market, although there are 200 languages spoken in India, most schooling is done in English, and so the business language and the internet language is English. When thinking about international web design, you have to bear in mind the way that people read language. Is it left to right or right to left, as it is in Arabic languages? Also, have you got an international brand, something that translates easily into the local language and looks right for that market? Does the design also suit the local culture? Language is a very important consideration with regard to your internet marketing campaign, in that although English is often thought of as the international business language, as far as the internet is concerned, only 25% of search is done on the internet in English. The rest is in a foreign language. So, for example, if you're targeting Australia, New Zealand, India, English is the language to use. The Far East typically only search in their own languages: Chinese, Japanese, Korean. In Europe, most of the search is done in the local language. When translating your website, it's best to do this translation to the best quality you can afford, preferably by a native speaker. It's also important that those keywords that you need on the website for the search engines are translated not just literally, but in the way that will be used by local people. And finally, marketing slogans need special attention because they need to be meaningful in terms of the local culture. Many companies that want to reach overseas markets think that by having an English international website as a .com hosted in England or America, that they are reaching the world. This simply isn't the case. You do need to localize your website because every country of the world has a different search engine. So whilst Google dominates the European market with a 95% share of search, in some countries like China, Japan, Russia, they have their own search engines. It's important to understand that people will search for something in their local language, in their own countries, on the local search engine, and typically that local search engine will prioritize information that is locally produced, has a local domain, and is hosted locally. Internet visitors will give more credibility to websites that appear to be produced locally, hosted locally in the local language. Also, you're more likely to get inquiries and results from localized websites. Localizing your internet marketing will increase traffic and convert more visitors to customers. And understanding which social networking sites to use in the target market will also help your success. So the 7 steps to overseas online success are: a well-researched and thought-out international marketing strategy, having the right branding and international visual identity, an effective, well-laid-out international website or websites, perfect language keywords and slogans translated by native speakers, and effective localized search engine optimization, having a website that has localized domains and hosting in your target country, and have a monitored ongoing online marketing program in each of your target markets.